Alright guys, we're at Marianas because the fruit is cheaper, so we ended up getting some watermelon, grapefruit, apples, ginger, beetroot, cucumbers, so we're good. Alright guys, so we're here. I think this is probably the best place in Cardenas to get like produce because it's obviously a lot cheaper, but as you can see, it's massive.
Salvadorian to Batanisa.
Yeah. Well, you got horchata. You got different horchatas, drinks, different syrups. Huh. You got a whole bundle set here. You guys, this is all I'm getting. Damn. How many did you get?
4. Probably gonna eat them all in the car.
Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I will be doing a full depth video on the Elysian at Rainbow. It's just this one I got invited to by one of my subscribers, Melissa, and Danny the Medic. So I was like, you know what, let's go check them out. Let's go see what they're all about. And this was obviously full of people at the end of the day. So I didn't do like a full depth video like I do my other apartments, so I thought, you know what, let me just show you though. I am showing you the additional pricing. I'm also going to show you the current pricing on the website and the apartment itself. Honestly, this is a very nice Elysian property. Again, I've done a few on my channel. They pretty much all look the same, but this one is my favorite, I would say, just because of the way that it looks and location wise. Location wise, it is literally so close to like Walmart, the Arroyo Plaza, you're close to IKEA, Durango Casino, so many, right? So I'm going to go this week and do like a full depth video and show you like the outside and then show you how far everything is at from these apartments. I hope you like this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification. That way as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. And if you like this video guys, give it a good thumbs up. Go check out his video, you guys. He's gonna show the property as well. I will have his link down below. am done with my juice. This is the mess. Yeah, pretty. All done. Alright guys, so EcoStash is a brand built on commitment, dedicating to providing high quality, environmentally friendly products since 2018. Over the years, their passion for innovation has led them to create a unique line of biodegradable wheat straw products, which is pretty cool, proudly recognized and embraced in the market. Today, they specialize in wheat straw folders and household items, all designed with one clear mission: to reduce plastic waste and protect our planet for generations to come. So if you guys want to get one, I am going to leave the code on the screen, but I'm also going to leave more additional information down below. That way you guys can get your hands on one. Honestly, you guys, it's going to help me and Richard a lot. We have a lot of paperwork everywhere in our stationery area. So yeah, this is going to help just make sure that it's all organized and we don't lose important papers. So again, thank you to EcoStash for sending me my own file organizer. Alright guys, so that was the EcoStash file organizer. Honestly, I really like the way that it looks, and we needed this. We needed this so badly. We have so much paperwork in the little drawers that we have that it's like everything is so scattered. So I'm happy that they contacted me and sent me this organizer, because honestly I feel like I'm gonna buy a few from them. I chose the blue, but they have different colors. They have purple, pink, yellow, and green. And what's so cool about it, you guys, is that it's wheat. It's a wheat straw file organizer. And honestly, I chose this one because it matches my nails. I don't know if you can see my nails, but kind of looks like that. This one comes in handy, especially with Richard being a real estate agent. He can put his files in there as well, and then I can put my apartment stuff as well. And yeah, it's quite big. It looks thin, but it's actually quite big when you extend it and everything. So thank you EcoStash for sending me my own very file organizer. I love the color, I love blue, but I also think I'm gonna get the pink, the yellow, and the green one. Just because when I do apartments, they give me a stack of paperwork, and sometimes I have left it on the counter table, and Richard has unfortunately thrown it away by accident. So this is gonna help me so much to make sure that they don't get thrown away and that they're organized as well. So I'm definitely gonna get a few more colors. Definitely the pink and the purple for sure. But I'm also very happy that I have the blue one. Alright guys, and if you want your own EcoStash, I'm going to leave the links down below, so definitely go check them out.